I'm in San Leandro. This building behind me is a quadruplex, 4 units. Great footprint, great potential for investors or somebody that wants to live in 1 unit and rent out the rest. Let's go take a look.
San Leandro offers residents a unique balance of convenience, community, and connectivity. The city features a vibrant downtown filled with local restaurants, shops, and community events, while its established neighborhoods offer tree-lined streets and homes full of character.
We're here in San Leandro, in between Hayward and I want to say Alameda, Oakland. We're looking at a 4-unit building. They all have 1 bed, 1 bath. It does have parking. This is a nice one. So if you do not want to buy a single family home, you want to live somewhere that you can eventually rent out, this would be the building for you. Now, 3 of these units are already occupied. 1 is vacant. I'm going to show you the vacancy and we'll take a look at the outside of the building. Let's do it. There, 2 units up top. And as you walk around, very manageable building here. Tenant has parking in San Leandro. You can buy this whole building for as much as you could buy a single family home. Let's take a look at the vacant unit. And this is the inside. 1 bed, 1 bath. A lot of light. San Leandro is a beautiful city. Looks like they did new paint. More than likely want to update the cabinets, do new appliances. It's nice, manageable 1 bed. Small bathroom, full bath. Again, this is San Leandro. You can live in 1 unit and rent out the rest. Numbers make sense. You buy at the right price. Call Jerry.